Wishing everyone a wonderful day. Today I'd like to share a recipe for a pour-over savory pie with a texture similar to the most delicate omelette. Let's prepare the filling first. Finely chop a small bunch of green onions and place them into a deep bowl. Boil 4 eggs, peel them and chop in any way you like. Grate them on a coarse grater, dice with a knife, or, as I do, use an egg slicer. Grate mozzarella with herbs on a coarse grater. You can replace the cheese with any type you like. Add the cheese to the eggs. Now add 1 tablespoon of sour cream to the filling. We'll use the rest later. In total, we need 250 grams of sour cream. Add half a teaspoon of salt, all to taste, keeping in mind that the cheese is already slightly salted. Mix everything well. Now let's prepare the batter. In a separate bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk very well until the salt and baking powder are fully dissolved. Pour the remaining sour cream into the eggs. We are not adding milk, kefir or water. Mix everything well with a whisk until you get a smooth, liquid mixture. Add 100 to 120 grams of flour and mix until smooth and lump-free. The batter should be thin and pourable, similar to pancake batter. Grease the baking dish with butter and pour in half of the batter, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Add all the filling to the center. I love when there's plenty of eggs and cheese. Gently spread it out and pour the remaining batter on top. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle half of the pie with white sesame seeds and the other half with black sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Depending on your oven and the thickness of the pie. We check for readiness with a wooden skewer. The top is golden, with an appetizing crust and a light crunch from the sesame seeds. It holds its shape well, slices easily, and is just as delicious warm or cooled. A perfect option for a family meal or a cozy snack. The pie with green onions, eggs and cheese turns out soft, tender and very aromatic. The batter bakes evenly, stays light and slightly moist inside, while the filling remains juicy with a bright onion flavor, tender eggs and melted cheese. Enjoy your meal! Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. See you next time. Bye bye!